Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the second part of World of Guns Gun Disassembler. Here in front of me, we have one of my, by far, favorite semi-automatic handguns. This is the Colt 1911. It's a U.S. production-made pistol. By far, one of my favorite semi-automatics. Let's field strip. Oh, it has to download. Okay. Ugh. Do. Well, let's go through the hints, I guess. Hint: if you don't see your top result in the daily high scores, just wait for the table to refresh. It updates often and displays the best result. That's 24 hours. That's not a hint. Best results are achieved by turning autofocus feature off. You can do it in the settings. Playing without autofocus is more challenging, but if you know your stuff, you can beat the par times by a mile. You can unlock any model directly from the catalog, even if you haven't discovered it on the map. I think we're going to go through the map. When progressing further from the center of the map, the cost models gradually increases. But yeah, just the way you get more guns in this is you have to earn experience from the previous guns you do. So this gun actually cost 800 experience to unlock. So that means we might have to go back and do those other game modes for both the AK and this one in the future to get other guns. Now, I know these videos could be controversial with all the gun disputes going on right now. But, if you see it that way, I'm sorry. I'm doing this simply because I think it's fun. I think it's interesting. You know, and, I'm sorry if you either find it offensive or think that a game like this shouldn't exist. But I apologize for that. I enjoy it, and I'm sure there's some people out there who would enjoy watching this. Maybe not by me, maybe by other people, you know. But if you do enjoy it and watch by me, thank you. I really like the background music in this too. It's like relaxing. Alright. Mag out. Recoil spring plug. Recoil spring. Slide stop. Slide. Barrel bushing. Barrel. Wow. Oh, that's actually pretty. Now let's reassemble. Barrel bushing. Slide. Coil spring. No, wait. This one. Slide stop. Recoil spring plug. And now for the mag. There she is. The Colt 1911. See, if you guys see where the XP is on this screen, please let me know, because I don't see the XP anywhere. Disassembler. Completely take this baby apart. Huh. Well. There we are. Alright. Grip screws. Get them out of there. Get the left grip out. And then these screws. Get that out. Pull out the recoil spring. Disattach. Take out the slide stop. The barrel. The bushing. Now the barrel itself. Does the back of it have anything? It does. Firing pin. Yep, there we go. Ejector. The safety lock. Safety plugger. The plunger tube. Okay, give me a hint. Ah. But that still doesn't help over. Oh, there's more stuff on this. Oh, the sight. I would have never thought. Aha. Well. Alright. Hit me. Oh, wow. The grip safety. Sear spring. Take that out, and I see a part on it, so there's still 11 more parts in here, probably in the trigger mechanism. Okay, the magazine catch. Oh, wait a minute. Is there one of these things in this one, too? No. I don't. Huh. Give me another hint. Ah. And there it is. Completely disassembled M1911. Or 1911. I say M1911 because that's what it is in Call of Duty World at War. Nazi zombies. Technician, alright. Now let's put her back together. Alright. What was that part? Ah. Put you back in. Not you. I guess we could put you down. Put that back in. Just try to simplify the amount of parts we have here. Put this back in. Alright, so the barrel's assembled. Put the mag back. What am I looking for here? This we could put this back. I've clicked on that already though. What the? Now we put this in, or this? Yeah. And now this, the spring. Now we reattach this, and reattach this, and reattach this. No? Reattach the slide. The slide stop. The recoil spring plug. And now the magazine. And there it is, the completed 1911. Now let's operate this bad boy. Single fire. Alright. Unloader. Fire into empty. Beautiful. Reload. Ooh. Now custom grips. We got the wooden grip types. Let's go skull. Oh. Pearl. Ho 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 ho. Metal. Oh, I love that. Safety on. That's beautiful right there. Alright. Well, thank you for watching this episode of World of Guns Gun Disassembler. With the 1911, I am Jazzy Man, and talk to you later.